Get ready for the dictation. Start. The petitioner, a public spirited person, has approached this court under Article 32 of the Constitution of India for issue of a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ, order or direction commanding the respondents to take appropriate steps for inculcating in the public a proper sense for paying due respect to the national anthem, to issue a writ, order or direction as to what is required to be done and not to be done when the national anthem is being played or sung, to specify what will constitute disrespect and abuse of the national anthem, and to restrain the use of the national anthem for any commercial exploitation or to gain financial advantage in any manner. Apart from the aforesaid prayers, there are many other prayers, and one such prayer includes that no one should print the national anthem on any undesirable object or display it in a manner and at such places which may be disgraceful and may tantamount to showing disrespect to the national anthem. After issue of notice, Learned Attorney General for India entered appearance on 30th November 2016, taking note of the assertions made in the petition. This court had passed an interim order which reads thus: having heard the learned counsel for the parties and awaiting the reply from the Union of India, as an interim measure, it is directed that the following directions shall be scrupulously followed. There shall be no commercial exploitation to give financial advantage or any kind of benefit. To elaborate, the national anthem should not be utilized by which the person involved with it, either directly or indirectly, shall have any commercial benefit or any other benefit. There shall not be dramatization of the national anthem, and it should not be included as a part of any variety show. It is because when the national anthem is sung or played, it is imperative on the part of everyone present to show due respect and honor. To think of a dramatized exhibition of the national anthem is absolutely inconceivable. National anthem or a part of it shall not be printed on any object and also never be displayed in such a manner at such places which may be disgraceful to its status and tantamount to disrespect. It is because when the national anthem is sung, the concept of protocol associated with it has its inherent roots in national identity, national integrity, and constitutional patriotism. All the cinema halls in India shall play the national anthem before the feature film starts, and all present in the hall are obliged to stand up to show respect to the national anthem. Prior to the national anthem is played or sung in the cinema hall, on the screen, the entry and exit doors shall remain closed so that no one can create any kind of disturbance which will amount to disrespect to the national anthem. After the national anthem is played or sung, the doors can be opened. When the national anthem shall be played in the cinema halls, it shall be with the national flag on the screen. The abridged version of the national anthem made by anyone for whatever reason shall not be played or displayed. After issuing the directions, this court noted the submissions of the learned Attorney General, which were to the following effect: we have so directed as Mr. Mukul Rohtgi, learned Attorney General for India, submits with all humility at his command and recommend that national anthem has to be respected. The directions are issued for love and respect for the motherland is reflected when one shows respect to the national anthem as well as to the national flag. That apart, it would instill the feeling within one a sense committed patriotism and nationalism. Thereafter, as the factual matrix would unfurl, two applications were filed seeking impleadment and recall of the interim order. They were taken up on 9th December 2016, and on that day the prayer for impleadment was allowed, but as far as the application for recall was concerned, the court passed the following order: stop.